I would say awesome.
Laura's fun. She's interesting. She's so knowledgeable.
Honestly, second to none. She's amazing.
All Laura wants to do is just help you.
Joyous.
She's a very good trainer. She's really funny and she makes you at ease. Passion for others and passion for what she does.
Enthusiastic, and really gives you the confidence to be able to go out and do the do.
Laura was just magical. She's very, very professional. However, she's also got a calmness about her. She's enthusiastic, she's knowledgeable, she's charismatic, and she knows her subject matter inside out.
Laura's training style is awesome. I think the level of knowledge and skill that she has, her ability to bring the most out of people within the group and individually, I can't say enough good things about Laura's training.
I was so inspired by the first meeting. I mean, she's so abundant with enthusiasm.
Awesome. She's one of the most influential, if not the most influential trainer that I've ever experienced. Her expertise is phenomenal.
She's life-changing. Going on the course with Laura, it's life-changing. You can't think of Laura and not smile.
Awesome. Laura puts you at your ease. It's a very informal environment.
What I find with Laura is she is genuine. She's hugely energetic and is absolutely totally knowledgeable about NLP, really does know her stuff, and you can rest assured that you are learning from an absolute expert.
Laura is just an incredible coach and instructor, teacher.
She's so vibrant and enthusiastic. She is inspiring. I couldn't have a better trainer. How she delivers everything, it's all quite fun. It's all been such a comfortable, lovely experience.
There's that feeling of trust, that you trust what she's saying, that you know you're in a safe pair of hands. I'd absolutely recommend her training. Really, really thoroughly enjoyed all of the stuff that I've done with Laura.
Oh, she's fab, isn't she? She's like, if you could take a bucket of Laura and throw it into any room, you wouldn't have any troubles. She's great. She's very engaging, she's very friendly, she's very welcoming, she makes everything digestible. She's just a lovely lady.